Hey folks, good morning. This is your host Afifa with my friends Prasida and Martha. Do you know why I'm here today? Of course, it's Independence Day. India's independence is not only a day of celebration, but a day of veneration too. Immense veneration to the great martyrs whose priceless sacrifices laid foundation of the independent India. It is their endeavor which has made us witness resurgent India with pride in our hearts and tears of joy in our eyes. Now my friend Prasida shall carry the program forward.
Honorable Correspondent Sir, respected Headmistress, coordinators, benevolent teachers, my dear parents and friends, a very good morning to all. I feel elated to be virtually present before you today. Owing to the grim situation where the COVID-19 pandemic has put us in, we have resolved to celebrate the Independence Day virtually. Dark clouds of the pandemic still hover over the world. People are confined to their abodes. They miss the joy of living a free life which they used to live before the pandemic. The current scenario reminds us how important and necessary freedom is. The hard-earned freedom by our great freedom fighters was in colossal wreck. People were taking it granted. But thanks to the pandemic, which has made us realize the importance of freedom and how much it costs. On that note, allow me to start the day with the heartiest greetings of the 75th Independence Day celebrations. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today, we take pride to celebrate this day not just for the sake of it, but with all heart and soul. Well guys, do you know the essence of prayer? Yes. Prayer which draws us very close to the Almighty God. Prayer which brings light to darkness. Prayer which guides and protects us. Prayer which changes people and their destinies. Prayer is so powerful that it can make things serene and is a solace to ailing souls. Now, without wasting any time, let us invoke the presence of Almighty God to seek His blessings. Let me call upon stage my friends for a prayer song.
नमोस्तुते जननी नमोस्तुते जननी समस्त कलला स्फूर्तिदायी निखिल जगम्बुल ज्ञान प्रबोधिनी नमोस्तुते जननी धवल कान्तुला मङ्गलकरमौ निलयं मा देवालय
Thank you so much, friends, for your wonderful prayer song. You made the atmosphere serene. Your melodious voice comforted our souls. Thank you once again.
The main aim of this virtual celebration is to inculcate moral values and patriotism in the young generation. If the youth have patriotic fervor, they surely are going to take India to greater heights. What do you say, Martha?
Yes, you are right, Afifa. Let's move forward, for it is time for my friend Miss Sai Divya to present before you a message in Telugu.
సభకు నా నమస్సుమాంజలి. ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని వీక్షిస్తున్న వారందరికీ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ముఖ్యంగా ఈ క్లిష్ట పరిస్థితులలో స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ వేడుకలు నిర్వహించడానికి అనుమతించి మమ్మల్ని ప్రోత్సహించిన మా పాఠశాల యాజమాన్యానికి హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతాంజలి. ఏ జాతి జీవితంలోనైనా స్వాతంత్ర దినాన్ని మించిన పర్వదినం లేదు. ఎందరో వీరుల త్యాగఫలమే ఈ స్వాతంత్రం. మన దేశ స్వాతంత్రం కోసం ప్రాణాలొడ్డి అసువులు బాసిన వీరులకు మరియు కరోనా వేళ మేమున్నామంటూ అభయహస్తమిచ్చి మనల్ని కాపాడే ప్రయత్నంలో ప్రాణాలర్పించిన వారియర్స్కు హృదయపూర్వక నివాళులు. గడిచిన 7 దశాబ్దాలలో స్వాతంత్ర ఫలాలను ఏ మేరకు సద్వినియోగం చేసుకున్నాం, ఏమి సాధించాం అని నిజాయితీగా సింహావలోకనం చేసుకోవలసిన తరుణం ఇది. అన్ని దేశాలతో పాటు ఆర్థిక సరళీకరణ పథంలో అనితర సాధ్యమైన రీతిలోనే కొన్ని ఏళ్ల క్రితమే పురోగతిని సాధించాం. అంతర్జాతీయంగా కూడా భారత్ తనకంటూ ఓ ప్రత్యేక గుర్తింపును సంతరించుకుంది. విద్య, వైద్య, వ్యవసాయం, వాణిజ్యం, బయోటెక్నాలజీ, సమాచార రంగాలలో మన భారత నిపుణులు విజయడంకా మోగిస్తున్నారు. నేడు మహిళల విషయానికి వస్తే వారు అడుగుపెట్టని రంగం అంటూ లేదు. ప్రతి రంగంలో కూడా తమ ప్రత్యేకతను చాటుకుంటున్నారు. ఇది సంతోషించదగ్గ విషయమే. ఎన్ని విజయాలు మనకు సొంతమైనా అంతర్జాతీయంగా భారత్ తనకంటూ ఓ స్థానాన్ని పదిలపరుచుకోగలిగినా అభివృద్ధిని మాత్రం అనుకున్నంతగా సాధించలేకపోయింది. అంతేకాకుండా వేళ్లు దన్ని విస్తరిస్తున్న ఉగ్రవాదం, భ్రూణ హత్యలు, ఊచకోతలు, మారణ హోమాలు, అత్యాచారాలు ఇవే నేడు దేశ యవనికపై ద్యోతకమవుతున్న బాధాకర దృశ్యాలు. ఎవరో వస్తారు, ఏదో చేస్తారు అని ఆశించక సంఘంలో నివసించే ప్రతి మనిషి సమాజ శ్రేయస్సే తన శ్రేయస్సు అని భావించాలి. ఇక మన విషయానికి వస్తే మనలో చాలామందికి మన దేశానికి స్వాతంత్ర్యం తెచ్చింది ఎవరో కూడా తెలియని స్థితిలో ఉన్నాము. ఇది ఏ ఒక్కరి తప్పిదమో కాదు. ఈ పోటీ ప్రపంచంలో ఈ దుస్థితికి అందరూ బాధ్యత వహించాల్సిందే. పుస్తకాలు చేతబట్టి ఆనందంగా బడికి వెళ్లాల్సిన మనం ఆన్లైన్ పాఠాలు వింటూ ఇంటికే పరిమితమయ్యాము. అయితే ఈ అవకాశాన్ని ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలి. ఏది మంచి, ఏది చెడు అనే విచక్షణను కలిగి ఉండి ఆరోగ్యంగా ఎదుగుదాం. సత్యాగ్రహమే ఆయుధంగా పోరాడిన గాంధీజీని, శాంతిదూతగా ఖ్యాతికెక్కిన చాచాజీని, వీరవనితలుగా కీర్తికెక్కిన రుద్రమ్మదేవి, ఝాన్సీ లక్ష్మీబాయ్, విప్లవ వీరులైన అల్లూరి భగత్ సింగ్లను స్ఫూర్తిగా తీసుకొని దేశభక్తిని నరనరాన జీర్ణింపజేసుకొని మేము సైతం పోరుకు సిద్ధం అంటూ అవినీతి అక్రమాలకు వ్యతిరేకంగా సమరశంఖం పూరించిన నాడు మన భారతి స్వర్ణకాంతులేనుతుంది. అలాంటి శుభతరుణం రావాలని ఆ సర్వాంతర్యామిని ముకులిత హస్తాలతో వేడుకుందాం. జై హింద్. మాస్కును ధరిద్దాం, ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉందాం.
Patriotism is a quality that everyone has within and which flows out through love, care, brotherhood and which inculcates a feeling of oneness. Thank you so much, Miss Divya, for rousing in us the spirit of patriotism with your beautiful message on Independence Day. Now, let's sink into the depth of patriotism with a patriotic song by my fellow mates. Allow me to hand over the stage to students from high school. Please welcome them with cheer and applause.
ఎగిరింది ఎగిరింది జెండా మూవన్నెల వైభవంగా, ఎగిరింది ఎగిరింది జెండా
awesome! The song tugged at our heartstrings and suffused us with love and respect towards our motherland. We indeed owe a great thank you to our great freedom fighters who made a great sacrifice and freed our motherland from the shackles of the British rule. Thank you, friends, for making us reminisce the struggle of our great.
Now let me call upon stage my friend Miss Asmairam to deliver a message in English.
Good morning to the honorable correspondent, principal, teachers and my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. As I have to deliver my Independence Day message today, yesterday night I prepared my message and went to bed. Though I prepared well, I was a bit tensed. I tossed in bed for some time and slowly went into sleep. I had a dream. In my dream, I was passing by some crossroads. My sight fell on a woman who was lying in one corner of the crossroads. I couldn't stop myself. I approached her, found her wrapped in rags. She was wounded. Blood was oozing from the wounds. She seemed a helpless woman. I stretched my hand and bent over her to make her comfortable. To my surprise, she happened to be our Alagari Bharat Mata. I was shocked to find her in this pitiable and dismal condition. The Bharat Mata, our Mother India, who was supposed to be adorned with riches, divinity and beauteous looks, was found in such a pathetic and distressed situation. I comforted her and inquired the reason for this condition. She said, "Historians called me a golden bird, far from Cain to feel my abode, was a colony for 200 years, served as a treasure for peers. My sons released me from the shackles, offering their lives as sacrifices. Then came a born dawn on my land, like a light for dark side. Happy were my sons and daughters to pamper me as a toddler. I grew up in their guidance to compete with the world. Then listened the moods of crime, corruption, deluge, scams, and whatnot. In addition to this, Corona has become the crown of the disaster, leaving me humiliated. It's true, a country which is lauded for riches, sacrifices, culture, tradition, development was crippled in the hands of British for about 200 years. We faced humiliation, hatred, recession and deaths under British. Achieving freedom was not a cakewalk. Behind the celebrations of Independence Day today, there is a much violent and chaotic history of fierce rebellions, wars and movements done by thousands of freedom fighters. The brave Indians had to undergo a long turmoil to set our motherland free. It would be unjust if we did not recall the great souls of the freedom struggle. Mangal Pandey, who ignited the thought of rebellion, Bhagat Singh, who infused radicalism against British, Father of Nation, Gandhiji, who brought the whole nation under one umbrella, the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who withdrew from his law and joined freedom fight, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, who formed Indian National Army and Azad Hind Fauj. Sukhdev, a close associate of Bhagat Singh, was arrested and martyred along with Bhagat Singh and Rajguru. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, in his raging protest against British, created a burning flame across the nation with the slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright." Jawaharlal Nehru, a freedom fighter and the first Prime Minister of India. The women freedom fighters were no less. They came out of their houses and sacrificed their lives in the face of adversity. There was intense love for their motherland. The women freedom fighters have been long gone and forgotten. They gave selfless sacrifices and even laid their lives to see their nation free and prospering. Many are to mention. Some of them are Aruna Asaf Ali, Bhikaji Kama, Lakshmi Sehgal and Sarojini Naidu. Achieving freedom proved very expensive as we lost great souls, part of our land in the name of partition. Now also, many of our brave Indian soldiers lose their life in protecting our international borders. It is heart-wrenching to know that in India-China Galwan border clash, 20 Indians were martyred with hand-to-hand combat with Chinese troops. The clashes with Pakistan has not ceased even today. Every day's turmoil is witnessed with an oblation of dauntless soldiers' life. At present, not only India, the whole world's economy is shattered due to coronavirus disease. It has shaken the world to such a point that each section of people, rich and poor, irrespective of age, have fallen prey for it. It has challenged the existence of life on earth. In these hard times, India feels proud to celebrate the winning of gold, silver and bronze medal in Tokyo Olympic Games. Neeraj Chopra won the historic gold in athletics javelin throw. Mirabai Chalasaikhom bagged silver medal in weightlifting. Ravi Kumar Dahiya won a silver medal in wrestling. P.V. Sindhu clinched bronze medal in badminton. Lavina has bagged a bronze medal in women's welterweight, and men's hockey team won a bronze medal after a long wait of 41 years. The Independence Day celebrations in this way is the effect of COVID-19. There are many immediate tasks to perform before us to develop our economy, but the need of the hour is to protect ourselves. So follow the norms of protection. Stay indoors, distance yourselves, wear a mask, stay healthy, stay safe.
Thanks Asmairam for such an inspiring message. I can't think of words to describe what I'm feeling right now. I feel grim and elated at the same time. The beautiful use of words to describe the present condition of our motherland left us teary-eyed. It is said that we must never lose hope. Let's hope that our nation shall have a glorious future ahead.
Hey folks, do you know the magic of dance, music? Yes, it feels magical cause we dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness and expel our fears. Now coming before you are my friends who are going to unleash a contemporary dance performance. Put your hands together and please welcome them.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू आबाद रहे तू
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
मंगल
Vande Mataram. Mesmerizing. Wow, you guys rocked. Thank you so much guys for such a mind-blowing performance. Really, you held everyone a captive. You unleashed the firework of flowing, precise movements. Thank you so much guys. Awesome. Don't you think so, folks? You agree with me, right? Yes. Now, let's move forward to the next program. Now, I call upon stage my friend Miss Sadia to deliver a message in Hindi.
अमर्त्यमूलं स्वातन्त्र्यं श्रममूलं च वैभवं न्यायमूलं स्वराज्यं स्यात् संघमूलं महाबलं। स्वतंत्रता की प्राप्ति केवल शक्ति और सामर्थ्य होने से ही होती है और वैभव भी श्रम करने से ही मिलती है। स्वराज्य का मूल कार्य अच्छी न्याय व्यवस्था का होना तथा किसी भी देश के अत्यंतशाली होने का मूल कारण उसके लोगों में एकता और संगठन की भावना का होना है। सम्मानित शिक्षक, अभिभावक और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। आज हम स्वतंत्र भारत में सांस ले रहे हैं। इसके पीछे माँ भारती के लाखों बेटे बेटियों का त्याग बलिदान है। आज मैं ऐसे सभी स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों को, वीर शहीदों को नमन करना चाहती हूँ। इसके साथ साथ आंखों से अंधे के शत्रु से लड़ते हुए इस कोरोना के समय अपने जीवन की परवाह किए बिना हमारे वैद्य, सफाई कर्मचारी, पुलिस कर्मी आदि अनेकों लोग 24 घंटे लगातार काम कर रहे हैं, उन सबको भी आज मैं नमन करती हूँ। मेरा भारत महान वाक्य ही एक अनोखे गर्व की अनुभूति कराता है। हमारा देश महानता का प्रतीक है। इसके कारण हमारे देश की गौरवमयी परंपरा रही है। भारत विश्व के सबसे पुरानी सभ्यताओं में से एक है, जिसमें बहुरंगी विविधता और समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक विरासत है। भारत ने आजादी पाने के बाद बहुआयामी सामाजिक और आर्थिक प्रगति की है। भारत कृषि में आत्मनिर्भर बन चुका है और अब दुनिया के सबसे औद्योगिक देशों की श्रेणी में भी इसकी गिनती की जाती है। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, आत्मनिर्भर भारत अभियान, डिजिटल इंडिया अभियान आदि के द्वारा आज भारत विश्व देशों में आगे बढ़ रहा है। इस कोरोना महामारी के बीच करोड़ों देशवासियों ने आत्मनिर्भर बनने का संकल्प लिया। अब आत्मनिर्भर सिर्फ शब्द नहीं रहा, बल्कि 142 करोड़ देशवासियों के लिए मंत्र बन गया है। हम स्वतंत्र हैं और हम अपने देश से प्यार करते हैं और यह हमारी जिम्मेदारी है कि हम अपने प्यार को साबित करें और एक भारतीय के रूप में सभी जिम्मेदारियों को पूरा करें। किसी भी आपात स्थिति का सामना करने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहना चाहिए ताकि हम उनके खिलाफ मिलकर लड़ सकें। हम अपने देश को विश्व की महाशक्ति बनने के लिए नेतृत्व करें और इसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ बनाएं। कुछ भी सोचने से कुछ नहीं बदल सकता। यदि हम कुछ बदलाना चाहते हैं तो हमें कड़ी मेहनत करनी होगी। इसलिए जब तक जरूरी न हो घर से बाहर ना निकलें और सुरक्षा के 3 सरल उपायों का पालन करें। मास्क लगाएं, 2 गज की सुरक्षित दूरी बनाए रखें, हाथ और चेहरा साफ रखें। भारत में निःशुल्क टीकाकरण अभियान जारी है। 18 वर्ष से आयु के लोगों से आग्रह है कि टीका जरूर लगवाएं और अन्य लोगों को भी इसके लिए प्रोत्साहित करें। भारत कोरोना महामारी के आगे झुकेगा नहीं, बल्कि लड़ेगा और जीतेगा। मेरा भारत, मेरी शान। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Sadia, for your inspiring golden words. Your message made us all leap back and sink into patriotism. What else can I say? Awesome. Thank you once again.
मेरा भारत महान, मेरी भारत की जनता महान, हम सब एक हैं. That is taking India to the zenith of success. Now coming before you are our young NCC cadets who are going to present a beautiful song depicting India's unity in diversity.
भारतीय
tricolor shall flutter in the sky. The honor of our nation shall reach greater heights. We shall take lives or put our lives at stake for our country's sake. Thank you so much guys for your wonderful song.
It is said that the reward of a thing well done is having done it. However, we fell short of our duty if we don't recognize a thing well done and encourage it with a thank you note. Now, let me call upon stage my friend Abhyudaya for vote of thanks.
Good morning everyone. Today I stand before you with an admixture of sorrow and happiness to extend my vote of thanks. Sad that we are having a virtual Independence Day celebration amidst the pandemic. Happy that we have at least a celebration. Now, without further delay, allow me to extend my vote of thanks to the management who gave their consent to the celebration of the Independence Day. My heartfelt thanks to the headmistress and coordinators who have encouraged us and prompted us for the celebration. I thank the faculty for their endeavor for training the children with patriotic songs, speeches and dance performances which have filled our hearts with patriotic fervor. I also thank the NCC group for presenting a heartwarming patriotic song on the occasion. I would like to thank the art masters for decorating the stage and making it look colorful. Last but not least, I thank all the technicians, parents and students for sparing their valuable time to watch our program. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Abhyudaya.
With vote of thanks, we would like to end this program quoting a few words. Draping the heads with shrouds, owing to protect their motherland. They stand in the borders, guarding their country, weapon in hand. Yes, you guessed it right. I was talking about soldiers. On this occasion, let's not forget them. Let's pay a small tribute to all the nation's heroes. Today, we all salute our great soldiers. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Before we leave, I request you all out there to stand up wherever you are for national anthem.
गाथा